Alright, project 1, step number 3, watering the color. Once you've got your shapes drawn and colored with watercolor pencil, you need some water and a brush just to finish off the last step. An important thing is to clean off your brush between colors. And another thing I like to have handy is just a tissue paper in case I use a little bit too much water I can dab it up with. So here, if you notice, I dip my brush in water and I just gently wet the dark side first. And then I dab my brush in water between colors because if I add blue to yellow, I get green, and I don't want that in this case. I fill in the shadows. If you look here, as we add water, the color starts to look less like colored pencil and more like paint, and that's the beauty of the watercolor pencils. There's no plastic casing, just a nice wooden pencil, and when you're ready, you can paint it up. So here I'm going to paint the dark side of the square. You'll notice the paint is a much darker red up here, and I'm going to color all sides that are in the shadows in the shadow first. And then once I'm done coloring the darker sides, I dip my paintbrush in the water just to reduce the excess darkness. It's really hard to lighten up your paint. And with a clean brush, I paint the light side. And if you look here, now we've gone from a drawing to a coloring to a painting. And now you're ready for step 4, finishing.